Action cameras for urban exploration. Title: Action cameras for urban exploration. Capturing the thrill of the concrete jungle. Introduction. About 150 words. Urban exploration, also known as urbex, has gained popularity worldwide as a thrilling and adventurous activity. Whether it's exploring abandoned buildings, scaling skyscrapers, or descending into hidden tunnels, urban explorers seek to uncover the hidden treasures and forgotten stories of the urban landscape. With the rapid advancements in technology, action cameras have become an essential tool for capturing every heart-pounding moment of these daring expeditions. In this article, we will explore the benefits and features of action cameras specifically designed for urban exploration. Section 1. What are action cameras? About 200 words. Action cameras, also known as sports cameras, are compact and rugged devices designed to capture high-quality video and still images of action-packed activities. Originally popularized by extreme sports enthusiasts, action cameras have now found their niche among urban explorers who crave a visual documentation of their adventures. These cameras are equipped with features such as wide-angle lenses, image stabilization, and durability, making them perfect companions for navigating the unique challenges of urban exploration. Section 2. Features and benefits of action cameras for urban exploration, about 600 words. 1. Compact and rugged design. One of the key advantages of action cameras is their compact size and durability. Urban exploration often involves navigating tight spaces, climbing structures, or crawling through dilapidated ruins. Action cameras' small size allows them to fit easily into pockets or attached to helmets, freeing up explorers' hands to negotiate challenging terrains. Due to wide-angle perspective, action cameras are typically equipped with wide-angle lenses, which allows for a broader field of view compared to conventional cameras. The wide-angle perspective brings a sense of depth and scale to the images, showcasing the grandeur and eerie beauty of forgotten places. 3. Image stabilization. Urban exploration can be physically demanding and often involves quick movements, climbing, or low-light conditions. Action cameras equipped with image stabilization technology counteract the camera's movement, resulting in smooth and steady footage. This feature reduces camera shake, ensuring that the captured images and videos remain clear and in focus, even in challenging environments. This is particularly important when climbing heights or navigating unstable structures, as it allows urban explorers to document their experiences with greater clarity and precision. 4. Low-light performance. Exploring abandoned structures often means venturing into dimly lit or completely dark spaces. Action cameras with exceptional low-light performance allow explorers to capture incredible footage and still images in challenging lighting conditions. These cameras utilize advanced sensor technology and low-light image processing algorithms, ensuring that every detail is faithfully recorded, irrespective of the ambient lighting. Such capabilities open up a whole new world of photography possibilities during nighttime or underground explorations. 5. Versatile mounting options. Action cameras offer a wide range of mounting options, including helmet mounts, chest harnesses, and adhesive mounts. These options enable explorers to attach the camera securely to their gear or equipment, providing a first-person perspective of the adventure. Section 3. Popular action camera models for urban exploration, about 400 words. 1. GoPro Hero Series. The GoPro Hero series has been at the forefront of the action camera market for years, and for good reason. Models such as the HERO9 Black offer exceptional video quality, superb image stabilization, and a wide range of compatible mounts and accessories. With its rugged design, waterproof capability, and excellent low-light performance, the GoPro Hero series remains a popular choice among urban explorers. 2. DJI Osmo Action. DJI, known for its expertise in drones and stabilization technology, brings its innovation to the action camera market with the Osmo Action. This model features outstanding image stabilization, a rich color profile, and excellent overall image quality. The dual screens, front and back, allow explorers to frame their shots while recording or taking selfies. 3. INSTA361R. The INSTA361R offers a modular approach, allowing users to switch between different lens modules, including a wide-angle lens and a 360-degree lens. This versatility provides urban explorers with creative freedom when capturing their adventures. Section 4. Tips for urban exploration photography, about 400 words. 4.1 Plan and prepare. Before embarking on an urban exploration adventure, it's essential to do thorough research and plan your route. Seek permission when necessary, ensure you have all the required safety gear, and inform someone about your whereabouts. Familiarize yourself with the camera's settings and make the necessary adjustments to capture the best possible images and videos. 4.2 Capture context. When photographing urban exploration sites, it's important to capture not only the subject but also the surrounding context. Include elements such as graffiti, decayed objects, or signs of life to tell a more comprehensive story of the place. These context-enhancing details can provide viewers with a deeper understanding of the location and its history. 4.3 Experiment with composition. Urban exploration photography offers endless possibilities for creative composition. Play with different angles, perspectives, and framing to add visual interest to your images. Experiment with leading lines, reflections, or patterns in the architecture to create visually striking and captivating compositions. 4.4 Utilize natural light. While low light performance is essential for urban exploration cameras, it's still beneficial to take advantage of natural light whenever available. Seek out opportunities to capture the play of light and shadows on decaying structures, or use sunlight to highlight specific details. Experimenting with different lighting conditions can add a dynamic element to your exploration photography. 4.5 Focus on detail. Urban exploration sites are often filled with intriguing details that can be easily overlooked. Take the time to zoom in and capture the intricate textures, peeling paint, or remnants of the past. These close-up shots can add a layer of richness to your images and provide viewers with a more intimate glimpse into the location's history. 4.6 Stay mindful of safety. While capturing stunning imagery is important, safety should always come first during urban exploration. Be aware of your surroundings, remain cautious of potential hazards, and never put yourself or others at risk to get the perfect shot. Always follow local laws and regulations while exploring and photographing. Section 5. Post-processing and sharing your urban exploration footage, about 400 words. 5.1 Choose the right editing software. After capturing your urban exploration footage, it's essential to use the right editing software to enhance and refine your images and videos. There is a wide range of editing tools available, from basic options like Adobe Photoshop and iMovie, to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Experiment with different editing techniques to make your footage more visually compelling and professional looking. 5.2 Adjust colors and contrast. Urban exploration sites often have unique color palettes and atmospheric lighting conditions. Use your editing software to adjust colors, saturation, and contrast to bring out the mood and ambience of the location. Enhancing the colors and contrast can give your footage a more dynamic and immersive feel, making it more captivating for viewers. 5.3 Apply filters and effects. Experiment with various filters and effects, such as vintage film, black and white, or HDR, to add a creative touch to your urban exploration footage. These effects can enhance the atmosphere of the location and evoke specific emotions in your viewers. However, it's important to use these effects subtly and tastefully, ensuring they complement the story you want to convey. 5.4 Cut and trim footage. During urban exploration, you may capture hours of footage. To create a more engaging final product, it's crucial to edit and trim your footage to remove any unnecessary or repetitive content. Cut together the most compelling and visually striking moments to create a concise and impactful video. Remember, less is often more when it comes to editing. 5.5 Add meaningful sound design. Sound design plays a significant role in setting the mood and enhancing the viewer's experience. Incorporate ambient sounds from the environment or add a carefully chosen soundtrack to complement your footage. It's essential to ensure that the sound aligns with the visuals and contributes to the overall story you're trying to tell. 5.6 Share responsibly and respectfully. When sharing your urban exploration footage, consider the location's sensitivity and any legal or ethical implications. Respect the privacy and historical significance of the sites you explore and obtain permission when necessary. Be mindful of sharing sensitive information that could lead to illegal or unsafe activities. By sharing responsibly and respectfully, you can contribute to the preservation and appreciation of these unique locations.